Hi, it's Gina from WTI. Waxing at home just got a whole lot easier with this waxing kit from Bella Verde. I've been waxing at home for about 25 years, and I gotta say, I am so impressed with a couple things about this waxing kit. Number one, it comes with absolutely everything you need to get started. I waxed both areas that have thin and fine hair and thicker hair, and the beads worked great for both types of hair. I love how easy this is to clean up. I'm a super messy waxer. Once it cools down, you can simply flake it off with a fingernail, or it doesn't even stick on anything. Once I was done waxing, I simply placed the strips on the countertop and they didn't stick. I also am really impressed because normally when I wax my face, I get breakouts almost immediately. And with this Bella Verde wax, I haven't broken out at all. This wax works so well, you can tell because it removes the root. I waxed my arms, my face, my bikini area, and my upper legs. The 3.5 ounce package of beans that come with the kit, with one package I was able to wax both of my arms and my upper lip, and then with another package I was able to wax the upper part of my legs on the front and then my bikini area. If you haven't made the switch to using hard wax, I would recommend trying out this set from Bella Verde. It just makes it so easy, and that's my point of view.